Hello. Most people don't know the difference between a disc bulge and a disc herniation. They're quite different, and one is a little bit more progressive than the other. Thankfully, we're pretty skilled here at dealing with both of those. So we're going to kind of go through this model. I'm going to explain the differences between a disc bulge and a disc herniation and how to correct it. Now, first and foremost, you don't really need an MRI to diagnose a disc bulge or a disc herniation. Most of the time you can do it by symptoms, orthopedic tests, but we also have in-office digital x-rays that measure down to 1/10 of a millimeter that can help us find out what's going on with your spine. In fact, this technology is so amazing, we can blow up these vertebrae the size of buses and we can see if any of the discs are degenerated or if there's any vertebral slippage. So this is a great tool that negates the necessary MRI that you might feel you need. Now, I'm going to go through the disc bulge and the disc herniation. So the vertebra in your spine are the blocks like this, and in between the vertebra are discs. Now, these discs have to have really good forces going into them. They have to have proper forces so they stay healthy and they move well. Unfortunately, when a person gets into an accident or an injury, often these circular fibers around the outside of this disc, they get weakened or they break a little bit. And the jelly in the inside of the disc forces its way through those circular fibers on the outside. That's what's called a disc bulge. They're quite uncomfortable for some people. And if these don't get repaired quickly, they become disc herniations, where these circular fibers or the rings on the outside actually break fully, and then that inside disc material bulges out and starts compacting a nerve, or more dangerously, the spinal cord itself. We're really good at fixing this stuff, but more importantly, we've got some amazing technology that'll help us teach you what's going on. We don't live by faith here in the office. Faith is for Sunday. We like proof and objective information. If you'd like to get a really great diagnosis and get some great care to help you get over these issues, please consider coming to see us. My name is Dr. Brad Deacon. We can look after you. Thank you.